Eager to own a Samsung Galaxy Fold but don't have that much money? Escobar Inc., the tech company owned by Pablo Escobar's brother Roberto de Jesus Escobar Gaviria, might have something for you. It is called the Escobar Fold 2, touted as the real Samsung killer phone, and appears to have a Galaxy Fold-like design. Some of the key specifications of the faux foldable phone have also been provided that are in line with what we saw on the Galaxy Fold. We can't trust the seller though. Can we? The design featured on the marketing renders of the Escobar Fold 2 seems to be the imitation of the Samsung Galaxy Fold. It appears to have the same two-fold design as well as a total of 5 cameras that we saw on the Samsung phone last year. To give some distinction, the Mimic comes with a gold vinyl skin with a Escobar Inc.'s branding. Let's see the specifications. Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, 64-bit ARM LTE processor. Octa-Core 2.84 GHz clock speed. Qualcomm Adreno 640 GPU. Based on Android 10. 6-inch Super AMOLED display. Side-mounted fingerprint sensor. 12 plus 12 plus 16 megapixels triple rear camera setup. 10 plus 8 megapixels dual selfie camera setup. RAM 8 GB or 12 GB. ROM 128 GB or 512 GB. Weight 266 grams with battery. To know more about the specs you can check the description below. In a press statement, Gaviria specified his goal with the new move and highlighted that some parts of the Escobar Fold 2 had been sourced from China. "My goal is to become the overstock kingpin of electronical devices this year," said Gaviria, Pablo Escobar's brother and founder of Escobar Inc. "All these factories simply have too much technology laying around. Nobody is buying anything in China from secondary factories. We cut the prices and give clients direct discounts under the Escobar brand umbrella." The Escobar Inc. empire wants to take a dig at Samsung by creating a promotional video for YouTube titled, "Rest in Peace Samsung." The voiceover in the hazy video says, "Samsung will not survive." Pablo is still upset. Search for yourself, watch and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.